Welcome to Friday Fails. ... But why? Oh, hello, Roscoe. This is episode 15. Welcome. We're gonna break down our first video. It's Jack LaValle. And there's a dog here.
Everyone look at my dog.
He sheds a lot.
He's cute though, look at him.
Okay. Oh, before we get too deep into this, if you ever want to buy any merch, this is the new sweaters we have out with these cool white strings, and this is the Gratitude and Moto, which we actually are selling a lot of. You guys should buy that before it sells out. That one's pretty cool. I like that one. It reminds you that every day you should be thankful for what you got, even if you don't got much. That's what that shirt's for. Okay. Jack, riding a 125 on frozen dirt in 32-degree weather in Minnesota in October was fun until I ended up doing this. I expected the dirt to be hard there, but it wasn't and sucked my front end down.
You gotta get knee pads. Always wear knee pads, everybody. But it's hardcore that you're riding in Minnesota on a frozen track.
That does not even
dirt
look
looks
close to
good
being
though.
frozen.
Dirt looks killer.
That is not frozen. None of that's frozen.
Oh!
Oh, hold on. Let's go back to his description a little bit, because he's living in a fantasy world a little.
Oh, okay.
Here's the thing.
It's cold, but the dirt looks actually primo. That does
Look at
not
you.
look
Could
like
pick that dirt up right there and
permafrost.
crumble in your hands.
I learned about permafrost, 7th grade science. This is not permafrost. The ground is not frozen. You're not far enough north. We got to get a little bit further north for that.
Yeah, Canada, Ontario. That's where they do that. That's where that happens.
Canada, eh? He's in Minnesota. Minnesota drinking soda pop.
Okay. All right, let's get back to the crash. Let's tell the man why he actually fell.
I think that has a lot to do with the vision. Where we're looking, maybe where we're sitting on the seat,
where we're
maybe
sitting,
our posture.
The vision.
Oh yeah, where we're sitting there.
Yeah, the vision. Where he's sitting on the seat, eh? Maybe you're a little sitting on the seat too far back, eh?
Gotta get the weight on the front, eh?
Oh, yeah. All right, let's just talk. We pause it right here. He's on the top of the berm. Guess what? That dirt is not frozen. It's soft no matter what you do to it.
It's primo right now.
It's
looks
primo.
good.
And so, a couple tips. You want to give him one first?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Sit a little bit further forward on the seat. Maybe lean forward. Get that head over the crossbar a little bit. Weight down that front end a little bit.
Look down the track like this. Ow. Arm hurts. Also, don't ride up on the soft part of the berm. If you look through the corner early, you won't do that. I was practicing that this weekend. I was looking through the ruts, hit them so much better. In two of the motos, I'm like, I'm gonna brake early, gas early, and look through the ruts. I was crushing the turns.
I love braking early.
Crushing the turns. I was like, what? It's so much better. You gotta slow down, look through the corner, pick where you wanna go, commit to the throttle. Okay, we're gonna move on from Jack. Jack, look, stop making excuses. That dirt is not frozen. We love you though, so thanks for sending the video. All right, we've got Daxton Davis. That's cool. I like how he's
name.
Full send. I like how they zoomed in for us.
Oh my Lord.
Do you know his nuts hung?
That was awful, dude.
Hold on, I just want to pause it. That's what you don't want in life right there.
Woo, man, that was terrible, dude. I'm really sorry about that.
Handlebars in the junk. Oh.
Hold it wide for a second too there. Oh yeah. He's holding junk.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
At least you got a little slip and slide down there.
Oh my Lord.
The flagger's like, ah. Did you guys see what just happened to him?
That was gnarly.
Send the paramedic.
That was gnarly. So if I had to guess, the dirt looks good right here. And by the look of this dirt, we can see kind of the top of the landing here, and the jump's almost kind of chewed out in the middle because the dirt's soft. So we see this a lot when we get jump faces that start to degrade at the top of the lip when they're rutty, right? So I think he just kind of got crossed up, hit a rut. And I think it's probably due to the fact maybe his feet were a little bit far forward, maybe his hips weren't unlocked, maybe his hips aren't rotated out. So he got that kick and there just really wasn't much he can do. We can see his body moving with the bike. So in that scenario, dropping the heels a little bit on the jump face, bringing the head, neck, and chest forward a little bit more, rotating the hips out, having that nice proud chest, that's gonna save you.
We've got Owen. Had a little fall on my KTM 85 SX in the sand. Was not that bad of a fall though. Follow me on Instagram at Owen_Swidowski. I'm gonna go ahead and spell that. W-S-I.
You already misspelled it there.
S-W-I-T-A-L-S-K-I 34. All right, follow him, people.
Ready, set, go.
All right, here we go.
Whoa,
he's going
ripping.
fast.
He's ripping.
This looks like Florida.
Oh!
Oh, been there and done that.
He did the old eject.
Yeah, so I think what went wrong here was he just lost traction with the back end, caught traction, body weight was still going forward, the bike was going sideways. Not much you can do about that. When some part of your body is going and the other part stops, usually you can't stop that
That's
moment.
the classic high side.
Yeah. Is there a scientific term that's like, what goes in motion stays in motion?
That would be Newton's laws of gravity. There's a few of them.
Yeah, okay, that's great. Anyways, all right, Owen, you just have to have a little better throttle control. Maybe, one thing we can tell them is that when you're riding in the sand, you want to stay on the base of the berm. So if there was a berm there, which I think there was,
stay at the bottom of that.
You want to stay at the bottom, so when it does slide, it actually has something to grab, and likely it is going to move a little bit. If you're riding in the middle and you get on the gas real hard like that, it usually just blows over the top, and then you get the old sideways side kick, super slam like you just got.
Super slam!
Oh, dude, if you'd hit the table, that'd have been so sick, but his computer would have been.
Yeah.
All right, we've got Dan here. Hi, guys. Here's my Phil's video submission. Hope you enjoy it. Greetings from Croatia.
Thanks for submitting.
Good dirt in Croatia.
Woo!
Dry as a bone. Dry as a bone.
On the YZ250F. Oh, he's dropped the front end. He is not committed, and he's taking a little dive there.
Well, track's already watered. You don't even need to.
Great dismount, though. Great dismount. I like the head flop at the end. You got to stay committed. He is in a position to fail.
Go ahead, tell him more.
All right. When
you triggered Cody.
When you
he is in a position to fail.
When you let fear go into your brain and you let fear overcome you in a situation like this, you put yourself in a position to fail biomechanically. So immediately as he was going through the corner, he's in a seated position. He needs to be standing right there. He's in a position where he's really weak. He's really vulnerable. The bike is misweighted. And then on top of that, as soon as he feels the front end slide, he hesitates immediately. He takes his feet off and he's already beginning the fall. You've got to stay committed. When in doubt, zoom it in right here. Throttle out. Okay, yeah.
You did say for him to stay and drop his heels, lean back a little bit, get the front end light.
Didn't say all that.
Oh, sorry. I was paying attention, I swear.
I was getting a little philosophical.
No, you were feeling soft testicles. Anyways, leave that in there, please. Hey, leave some of this in there.
Yeah, please do.
So this guy needs to stand up, drop his hips back over the rear sprocket a little further, look through the rut, drop the heels, and stay steady on the throttle. Let the bike dance a little. Guess who's here?
Just bulldog through that stuff.
All right, Demir, good luck. Oh, we're into cross. Do a little super X crash.
Dirt's soft there.
Oh! We're supposed to react to it, but we don't know what happened.
Oh boy.
All right, well,
that was rough.
Oh, it's the old classic, I got impatient.
Man, that was
Did you see this race?
Yeah, I did.
Did you see what he did?
Yeah.
So silly.
They don't
Why would
call
he do
him
that?
Bam Bam for no reason, man.
Here's the thing, Bam Bam. You're riding really good. I know you're going to watch this. I know you watch every episode. So welcome back. You're riding really good, and we're super supportive of your riding style and who you are as a human being here at the MX Factor. We think you're a great human. This was a bad choice. You shouldn't go outside into a double that fades from inside to outside in the main line. You shouldn't go outside and try to square someone up. In the air, I think you know this. I think it was a brain fart. I think that he just was like, in the moment, how do I track him back down? I can't waste any time. You know, I don't know. It just didn't make any sense. Every single rider on the track was jumping that jump from the inside.
He's a fierce competitor.
I think he thought he could just literally run him over in the air and land and just keep going.
Didn't quite work out like that for old Bam Bam.
He's got to weight his bike underneath heavier.
That one looked like it hurt too.
Yeah, he's feeling that one today. Yeah, I think so. Just so you guys know that haven't seen this, there was a step up / little double thing out of a corner, and everyone was coming out of the inside. When you're coming out of the inside of the corner, you're typically still turning as you go up, and you're going to fade out a little bit in the air, and that's what was happening. If you look at how the dirt's moved on the landing, it's all moved out on the outside of that landing. So they're coming inside to outside, and Barcia tried to go outside, use the berm, come into it straight, which was not the natural line, and just collided with Freeze in the air. I don't understand what the logic was there. And then TOMAC got caught up in there.
Poor TOMAC.
Poor TOMAC.
Man, that was gnarly. Yeah, I don't know what he was expecting there.
I don't know. It didn't look like he was that
silly.
far outside. All right, so what's this crash looking like? Oh, this was insane. I'm glad we...
Dude, oh my Lord.
Okay, so a couple things here. Back to Barcia, and I know you're watching. I'm super glad you're watching again, and because he watches every episode.
This guy needs to see a therapist. He's clearly got some anger issues that are coming out on the track.
Barcia?
Yeah.
Nah, man, that's Bam Bam. He's got to hold up his reputation.
Okay.
What are you gonna call him? Soft?
I don't know. That was
Sissy?
That was crazy though.
Don't touch anyone. Don't touch anyone.
I don't know.
What do you call him if you don't call him Bam Bam? Won't make passes. Won't make passes.
He tries to make passes. I'll give him that.
I don't know. I think he keeps doing what he's doing. But here's the thing. I really like Roxon. I don't have anything against Barcia at all. I think this was a little aggressive though.
That was pretty feisty.
When front tires touch together, okay, at this angle, and then you meet like this, not good.
It's dicey. That'll send some shockwaves through your body.
Yeah, we're gonna back it up just whatever, a couple seconds here.
He's just about 5 feet short, about a whole bike length short.
He's too far back to try to make this
That
happen.
was just, man, that was something else. I guess come on, you really think Roxon's gonna check up? Come on, dude.
So Roxon had been going outside and turning down early and hitting this section and avoiding the ruts the last couple laps. And I don't know how Barcia didn't know that he was gonna do that. He wasn't using the whole berm the whole time. And so it didn't make any sense. Again, I think that Barcia was just a little bit off in this one.
This looks like, to me, Barcia's like a cheetah. He's in the Serengeti, and he's trying to take down a water buffalo.
Yeah,
but he's a young cheetah.
He's a young cheetah.
And he almost gets the water buffalo, but then they kind of tumble and tangle. And then somehow the cheetah and the water buffalo, they get away from each other.
Yeah, they separate. That's what I feel about it, too.
Yeah.
And anyways.
He'll have his day, though. He'll get his
kill. But guess what? The cheetah got wrecked later on.
Yeah, the cheetah got wrecked.
By Freezy, which
the
would
water
be
buffalo
also known as
just
what? Like
kept trucking along, man.
What would Freezy be in this scenario? Took him down.
Freezy's like
water buffalo's cousin.
So now it's Freezy is like essentially he's like the apocalypse. He's like that asteroid that hit and caused the ice age.
Yeah.
Anytime you get around Freezy, you're getting frozen. You're getting tangled up in something that you can't handle.
You can't handle him. Nope. All right. So this was a little aggressive. If he were to do it the correct way, he would have been a little bit closer, and he would have not teed off to his front wheel. He would have came in and maybe hit his shoulder and the side of him. But anyways, it worked out for both of them, except for Barcia. So it worked out for one of them. All right, next one.
Ooh, this one's good.
Ooh.
Jett
Lawrence. Oh my goodness.
Man, dude.
Okay, so first off, go ahead. You talk a little bit.
He hit the ground graceful. I don't watch football, but you know, when those dudes get tackled and they kind of flip around and land back on their feet, that's kind of what that reminded me of right there. So it's very graceful get off there. Very great dismount.
But don't you think if he would have landed like a foot shorter on the face of that, he would have broke his head off?
He would have been dead. Great aerial awareness there, though. He was like a darn spider monkey.
Yeah. Yep. I think when you're that sharp like he is right now, he's pretty sharp.
He's on, dude.
That even when you fall, it looks impressive. But he just cross-rutted going up that. I think the front tire got on the outside of the rut, and then the back tire stayed in it. Just kind of gave him the old crooked endo. But not a lot you can do about it. What was the most impressive about that whole deal is that he came back third.
Yeah, this dude is ripping right now, and he wasn't even on the radar, so it's pretty cool.
No, that's awesome. Yeah, anyways, I like the way he does his earring on that left ear with the cross hanging down. He's got swag, don't he?
He's like...
We should get that.
No, I don't
Come on, dude. Let's do the next episode with that. Me and you. I'll go get
I already got my ears pierced.
I used to too. You got holes. You can just stick. Let's get one.
Yeah, let's bring it back.
All right, Nichols. I know you're watching this because you watch all of them, and I'm just welcome back. But we're gonna rep the cross thing for you next episode. Anyways, that's all. If you guys like this video or it was horrible, just let us know in the comments your opinion either way, because that helps the video do better.
We like your strong opinions.
And we have 13 more videos over here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our Instagram. It's at the MX Factory, where we have recently taken that back over, so the quality of it's going to be a lot better. Check it out.